Hello friends, in last part we have seen binary to gray converter and its two outputs. Now in this part we are going to study K-map for output number 3, which is G1. So I have drawn 4 inputs B3, B2, B1, B0 and only one output G1. Now let's draw K-map for G1. K-map for G1. Okay. Now it is going to be a 4 variable K-map because inputs are 4. Therefore, we will draw box with 4 rows and 4 columns. Let's say inputs are B3, B2, B1, B0. Okay. Then we will write values of B3 and B2 in gray codes. So first 4 gray codes are 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Now these empty boxes are called as cells. Now we will write values of cells as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. So this is standard 4 by 4 variable K-map. Okay. Now let's pay attention on truth table once again. Now our output is 1 at these places. Okay. Our output is 1 at 2, 3, 4, 5 and 10, 11, 12, 13. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay. Now let's make grouping. Now group of these 4 ones is possible. So we will call it as group number 1 and we can make group of these 4 ones. This is another property of K-map. So it will be called as group number 2. Now let's find equation of group number 1. So in group number 1, for these two 1, B3 is 0 and for these two 1, B3 is 1. So B3 is changing its value, so we will cancel that. Now let's check B2 for these two ones. For these two 1, B2 is equal to 1 and for these two ones B2 is equal to 1. So B2 is common. So we will get B2. Now let's check B1. For these two 1, B1 is equal to 0. For these two 1, B1 is equal to 0. So B1 is 0 for all 4 ones. So we will write B1 bar. Why we are writing bar? Because its value is 0. Now let's check B0. For these two ones, B0 is 0 and these two ones, B0 is 1. So sometimes it is 0, sometimes it is 1. So it is changing its value, so we will cancel that. So from group number 1 we will get only B2, B1 bar. Now let's check equation of group number 2. Okay. Now for all these two ones, B3 is equal to 0. For all these two ones, B3 is equal to 1. So B3 is 0, B3 is 1. So B3 is changing its value, so we will cancel that. Now let's check B2 for these two ones. For these two ones, B2 is equal to 0 and for these two ones, B2 is equal to 0. So B2 is 0 for all ones. Therefore we will get B2 bar. And let's check B1. For these two 1, B1 is equal to 1. For these two 1, B1 is equal to 1. So B1 is 1 for all 4 ones. So we will write B1. Now finally let's check B0. For these two 1, B0 is 1 and for these two 1, B0 is 0. So we will cancel B0. So we got two equations and finally equation of G1 will be addition of all possible groups. Therefore we will get G1 is equal to B2 B1 bar plus B2 bar B1. in, and this is equation of XOR gate, so we will write therefore G1 is equal to B2 XOR B1. So this is equation that we got after solving K-map for G1. Thank you.